This is something very typical of South India, and this symbolizes the transfer of power.
They did the blessing, they prayed, and then they gave it to Jawaharlal Nehru, which signified that he is going to be the new ruler of India.
पंडित जवाहरलाल जी के ने विशेष रूप से तमिलनाडु से आए हुए अधिनम से सेंगोल को स्वीकार किया था। उन्होंने इसे अंग्रेजों से भारत को सत्ता प्राप्त करने के प्रतीक के रूप में पूर्ण विधि विधान के साथ स्वीकार किया था। पंडित नेहरू ने 14 अगस्त की रात को अपने निवास पर कई नेताओं की उपस्थिति में सेंगोल स्वीकार कर सत्ता के हस्तांतरण की प्रक्रिया को एक प्रकार से पूरा किया था।
The original design was given by the Tiruvadurai Adinam to my great-grandfather and my grandfather to be manufactured and given to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. As you see, it is a very intricate piece of gold. This is the replica of this. The only thing that is missing in this is the Tamil words of why this was made and when it was made and what it signifies.
The whole Sengol is actually made in two parts. It is a top part and a bottom part which can be transported easily. It's detached. Even while making also, it's a lot easier to do it as two parts. So that is why it is traditionally done like that. So we have followed the same, and not me, my grandfather followed the same method. When Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru consulted Rajaji, about how to symbolize the transfer of power, because Mountbatten had asked him that as a symbol of transition of power from England to India, what do you all normally, how is it done in India? So when he was informed that about this, he didn't have an immediate answer. So he asked Rajaji to give him a suitable a symbol for transition of power. So when Rajaji himself consulted a lot of books and he went back in history, and then he found out that this is the Sengol, when it is handed over to the new leader, it symbolizes transfer of power to the new leader, and it is done through the priest. In that time, the high priest would bless the Sengol and then bless the king to do rule over the people and the land by giving the Sengol to him. So this was done, like Amar said, Mountbatten was handed this, and then he got it back. They did the blessing, they prayed, and then they gave it to Jawaharlal Nehru, which signified that he is going to be the new ruler of India. The Nandi is for Shiva is a god that we respect, and is the way to get to Shiva is through Nandi. So Nandi is giving us power. When the leader is holding a staff with a Nandi on it, he is able to communicate to God through Nandi. So that is the basic. Even now also, if you go to temples, you will find people whispering in Nandi's ears and then going to meet Shiva. So it's like that.